2001. We're going to reach our goal.
Albert B. Kelly is mayor of Bridgeton, New Jersey, and CEO of Gateway Community Action Partnership. It's the official anti-poverty agency in Cumberland County. Kelly and a group of Bridgeton High School students are taking part in a pilot project funded by New Jersey Health Initiatives. It harnesses the passion and skills of teens, a group routinely overlooked when we think about building healthier communities.
There was a really important voice that was missing. If we're missing youth, right? You are the future leaders. You are the ones that are going to help us kind of realize this vision of building a healthier, not just New Jersey, but healthier nation.
The initiative provides leadership training and a paycheck to young people as they help inform and enroll members of their community in the summer feeding program, helping them stay healthy during the summer, a time often referred to as the hungriest time of the year.
Many students get meals during the school year, breakfast and lunch and snack, but most parents don't realize that we have a food program that for the summertime. And so the students who are going to help share that information throughout their community.
Youth are an underutilized resource that every community has. They're a community asset. And unfortunately, in the summertime and a lot of other parts of the year, we look at youth, especially in our most vulnerable communities, as something that has to be managed. And that's unfortunate because they have the skills, if they're given them. They have the commitment, they have the idealism, they have the energy to be a real resource to communities.
And that's just what's happening this summer in Bridgeton.
This is a poor community. There's no work here. So it's very important for us to get out there and try to promote some jobs, because this is some summer jobs for the children. This feeding program will save at least $300. So if they get out here for breakfast and lunch, that's saving them money. And we're feeding because it's a need. A lot of our children are going hungry.
The students chosen for this summer program spend time at a camp retreat to bond and learn leadership skills.
So I hope to become a better person, a better leader in the community, in my school. That we can make the school a better and safer place, but most definitely our community.
Kiana Lewis is a Robert Wood Johnson Foundation Program Associate. Her job at the retreat was to get the students excited about the project.
We're going to focus on two major questions. Who are you? And then who are you together?
I'm just someone that's very energetic.
My superpower is love because I believe I'm a very loving person.
It's a tough balancing exercise, but through it, the teens learn teamwork and how to overcome obstacles by working together.
When you go back, you enrich the city of Bridgeton. Now, we might be impoverished financially, but because of people like you, I got the richest town in New Jersey.
Back in Bridgeton, the students take the skills they learned at the retreat into the community.
We're going to door to inform the people that we're working with this program, that we offer free meals, nutrition meals. What we want is to help our community, make them healthier.
Many of the people who live in Bridgeton are Spanish speakers, so bilingual teens help translate.
Gracias. You can see for Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursday, we will be giving free lunch to any children 18 years of age and under. Here are the specific locations where the breakfast and lunch programs will be provided.
It makes me feel great, like just knowing that me knocking on the door and telling someone about this free meal can change someone's summer.
Dan Hart is director of the Institute for Effective Education at Rutgers Camden. He helps the students understand some of the challenges of the job, including how to handle rejection.
Kids will do this kind of activity, which is actually very challenging. Going door to door in the middle of the summer is the kind of activity that wears kids out because it's hard work. You get hot, people say no, they don't want to talk to you, and so on.
She opened the door up and we started to go back up and talk to her, man, you know, can I talk to you about the program? She's slamming the door in our face.
Not everybody's going to say yes, and try to frame rejection in the way that Mayor Kelly did, that they're not rejecting you, they're rejecting an opportunity.
Dante Custis is the senior leader of the program.
Currently right now I'm waiting to actually go to basic training for the United States Air Force. I leave this Tuesday coming up actually, and I want to participate in this program because I've lived in Bridgeton all my life. Since I was born right down the street, and I just want to give back to the community that gave so much to me. Make sure that they're taken care of when I'm gone.
We have pineapples, some fresh fruits. We have peaches, we have broccoli.
The food comes from Bridgeton High School and is being served at various recreational sites in the community, including the Johnson Reeves Playground.
I have really got inspired by a lot of this, actually going to see the feeding sites and seeing the children. It's really overwhelming, like in a good way. I want to work in the future with children, and just being able to help other people now is just like a great feeling.
And I believe that we're off to a great start. This is the first week, and as the word gets out and more flyers and more of our students knock on doors, I'm positive by the second, third week we're going to be inundated with more students.
I met a lot of nice people, and we helped many families.
We're hoping that the achievements of the kids in Bridgeton will be a model for cities across New Jersey to understand that kids don't just have to be problems, or kids are not people in the community have to find something constructive to do, that in fact they are part of the solution, and that they can contribute both important actions for their community and that their perspectives are valuable.